Yes, in 2023, there were a lot of crypto billionaires and millionaires that emerged from the trenches. This is because they carefully followed what I'm going to show you in this video, and it's known as crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is simply the art of buying crypto at a lower price in a particular exchange and selling it at a higher price in another exchange. This is simply you can buy an Ethereum of $100 in a particular exchange, and in another exchange you are selling Ethereum for probably $120, and you go and sell it there. Understand? You buy from $100 and selling it at B at $120. Probably that is making, apart from the gas fee and whatever, you are probably make a gain of $20, and continuously doing stuff like that, then you are sure of being a crypto billionaire or millionaire in Nigeria currently in this 2024. So I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can run a successful crypto arbitrage in Nigeria. And if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejukwajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this. And don't forget to share my video to your friends so that they can also come here and help me grow. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can use to identify a successful crypto arbitrage, and you can hop in and make a lot of money. In my last videos which I've dropped since last year, I show you some of the platforms in which you can use to buy crypto, and I'm going to update the video subsequently. Probably in my next video I'm going to update it, but I'm going to show you how you can run a successful crypto arbitrage in Nigeria in 2024 and make a lot of crazy money if you have the capital to start. And I'm also going to show you, if you don't have the capital to start, I'm going to show you how you can also join the crypto gang and also cash out from cryptocurrency. So number 1 is you have to identify your opportunity. Identifying opportunity is one of the key factors if you want to actually earn from crypto arbitrage. Opportunities here is simply knowing the various exchanges, studying the various exchanges, their rate, and that is your opportunity. Studying various exchanges rate and seeing how they operate. Probably you have been using Busha, or you have been using Binance, you have been using Rico, you have been using a lot of them. You have to study them and see which of them has a lower has been selling low. You buy from there and check, like Binance as usually say high, and you can take it to Binance and sell through the P&P. So it says for you to be successful in crypto arbitrage, you need to be calculative and look for opportunities. In the arbitrage, first person to discover an opportunity make money before others. Yeah, the first person to discover an opportunity makes money before others, and it can even be looked safe by the developers. So that is the first one. You must first of all look for the opportunities, and the second one is, after looking for the opportunity and after seeing it, you have to scrutinize the opportunity. Scrutinizing means you have to look at the opportunity and criticize and check out whether it has some fault or not. It says it is one thing to find crypto arbitrage opportunities, and it's another to check whether it is worth it. There are a lot of crypto arbitrage opportunities that are not worth it because of you won't make any gain from it. It's just like a waste of time. You need to look for transaction fee, just like I've said, the transaction fee, that's the gas fee. You have to look for the network fees, and you have to look for the wallet cost to see if it is worth it. Because let's say you cannot buy a crypto from a lower exchange of $100, and before you take it to crypto of an exchange which you can sell for $120, the transaction fee, the network fee, and all those stuff will reduce the money to probably to $106. It's not worth it, bro. So you have to, after discovering the opportunities, you have to scrutinize and vet the opportunities. And lastly, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to share this video because this is a life-changing opportunity video. The last one, you have to be time sensitive. A good crypto arbitrage trader knows that time is key in trading. Cryptocurrencies are volatile. Normally cryptocurrencies are volatile, and the prices changes fast on exchanges. You can see a crypto at $100 in a particular exchange. you might go and check it the next day, you are seeing it at probably $200, or you're seeing it at $90, or you're seeing it at $80. It can either go up or it goes down. So cryptocurrencies are volatile, and you have to be very sensitive after discovering the opportunities, after scrutinizing and vetting the opportunities. You have to be very time sensitive to sell it, because cryptocurrencies are volatile on different exchanges. How you spend your time will determine whether you will make money from crypto arbitrage or not. So these are the three ways in which you can emerge as a successful crypto arbitrage trader in Nigeria. Number one is by looking for opportunities. Number two is by scrutinizing and vetting the opportunities. Number three is by being time sensitive. If you have watched this video to this particular aspect, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends, drop that comment, and I will guide you on how you can go about it. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you.